Hello guys, how have you been doing? I hope you're fine because I'm amazing. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am doing a very interesting recipe. It's an African, I don't know what to call it. It's African food, arrowroots. So I'm going to show you how we cook arrowroots in our African homes. And oh, by the way, it's beginner friendly. So if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing, please. So let's get to the kitchen. Today I'm cooking my meat in a different way. I first go in with my cooking oil. Not that much. And then add my meat. And stir a little bit. So at first the meat will get stuck, but don't worry because it gets better. Next I'm going to add my onions. That is after the meat has fried a little bit. And then stir for after our meat has turned from its original color, the red color, I'm going to add my tomatoes. Then stir the meat for a while. So if your meat is so dry, si fresh, you can add some bit of water, but right now my meat is fresh, so I'm not going to add water. I'm going to let the tomatoes steam, then we will be back to see. Woo! See that, guys? So our tomatoes are already what do I call it, mashed. They are ready. So that is what we wanted together with our meat. The mixture is amazing. So what you want to do next is add a little bit of some water. So I've added you add amount of water that itafanya nyama iive. Usiweke maji kidogo. So I'm so sure maji itachemka until our meat is cooked. By the way, during this process, hapa sasa, like after umeweka maji, unaweza weka chumvi. You can now season your meat. Just add enough salt. Okay, let's wait for it to boil. So I just tasted my meat na imeiva. It's tender now and cooked. I don't want the water to dry or the soup to dry completely, so that I may be able to continue with the mixture bila kuongezea more water ndo ishike mafuta at first. So next I will add my carrots. Yeah, that looks amazing. Naka tamu. Mix it for a while. Mix it a little bit. Yes, that's great. You see the uzuri wa kuacha maji kidogo, nyama isikauke kabisa. At least unaona hata carrots zinashika vizuri. And then next I will add my potatoes, my waru. Huku kwetu tunaziita waru. Ushago nita waru. And then I mix them. Ninazimix ndo zishike mafuta. I don't want to add water immediately. Kwanza una mix vizuri ndo zishike mafuta. Good. That's amazing. And then I will also go in with my arrowroots. My ndoma, zinaitwa ndoma kwetu, tunaziita ndoma. Great, that's great. And then pia nitazimix. Nimeshikilia kamera, so kama ina move, don't worry. Ninazimix pia ndo zipate mafuta zote. And then at this point ndo nitago in na my 2 Royco cubes kidogo ni. So uta notice that while I was peeling off the Royco cubes, ndoma zilikuwa zinachemka. That's the goodness of usingoje nyama imalize maji yake kabisa. You see, that seems amazing. Sinaka tamu. I know. Ni tamu by the way. Kwanza ungeonja nyama. It's amazing. Oh, kujen tukule. You are welcome. Yes. And then, so now making sure that everything is well mixed na zimeshika mafuta, nitaongeza maji enough yenye itafanya ndoma ziive. So as you can see, nimeweka maji enough. The water should be slightly above the ndoma, the arrowroots. Unaona, at least bado unaona the arrowroots. So tungoje zichemke, ziive, and we are good to go. In the meantime, unaweza onja chumvi, usikie the seasoning was okay, and then you add if it's addable. Those who want to add capsicum, those who want to add the capsicum, sijui kinao, coriander leaves, all those things, unaweza ongeza. But mimi, I don't like. I just want to cook simple. I'm alone, so yeah. So you can add all those other spices, kina hoho, kina naitwa nini, dania, all of them unaweza kaanga nazo, but I did not want that. I want my arrowroots simply cooked. So tungoje ziive. Yes. So our arrowroots are ready, very ready. So if you want to know if they are ready, kama unataka kujua zimepika, you don't want to overdo it. Ukibonda hivyo tasema zinabondeka, you see? Hivyo. simple. And there we go. Yes,